How to recover your hacked Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can recover the hacked Instagram account. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So when you try to log in into your Instagram account that is hacked, you need to enter your password and email. So let's say the hacker unfortunately changed the email ID to theirs so that you can't log in into your Instagram account. So there is certain method you need to follow. First of all, open up a browser. After that, you can't really enter the phone number, username or email address because the hacker may have changed everything. So if you get any verification code, that will only be received on that hacker's phone if that person had changed. So what you're going to do is simply tap on this forgot on your password, and here you can see this can't reset your password section, so simply tap on it. After that, you'll be redirected to another page where it says help.instagram.com. So what you're going to do is search for hacked Instagram account. So here you're going to get a bunch of options. So what I want you to do is tap on this first option here. And here you can see this: if you're unable to log in, visit this page option. So simply tap on it. And simply tap on the first option that says my account was hacked and tap on next. So here you just need to go up with the verification process. After that, enter your username, email address and everything. After that, get on with the process that Instagram asks you to do, and they will help you to recover your Instagram account. So therefore, by following this method, you may recover your Instagram account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.